Hello everyone, I am Prasanna Kanumuri, studying in Vishnu Institute of Technology, 3rd BTech. I am here to explain how I created my Telegram chat box and store the data given in the Telegram by using firestore database. Firstly, entering into the core, import required modules and initialize Firebase admin SDK. The code starts by importing the necessary modules for the application. Firebase admin app provides access to the Firebase admin SDK and allows users to initialize the Firebase app. Firebase admin, Firebase store. Use access to firestore. The Firebase NoSQL database. No Telegram bot API. Allows the creation of Telegram bot using the Telegram bot API. Axios is a popular library used for making HTTP requests, and it will be used to fetch weather data from the OpenWeatherMap API. I used the OpenWeatherMap API to extract the weather. Next, place the token generated by the Godfather and place the weather API key generated in the OpenWeatherMaps. Next, create bot. This line creates a new instance of the Telegram bot class using the token. The polling true option enables the bot to receive messages through polling, meaning it will actively check for new messages. Where service account. These lines load the service account credentials from the key.json file and initialize the Firebase admin SDK. Initialize app is used to set up the Firebase app with the given service credentials. Get firestore retrieves the instance of firestore that can be used for database operations. Next, writing asynchronous functions to fetch weather data from the OpenWeatherMap API. It uses Axios to make an HTTP GET request to the API endpoint for the weather data using the provided city and weather API key. The function returns the weather data as response.data if the API is called successfully. If there is an error during the API call, the function catches the error, logs it to the console and returns null. Next, bot.on.message asynchronous function. This block of code sets up an event listener for the message. Event emitted by the bot. When a new message is received, the event listener callback function is executed. It extracts the text of the message using mg.text and then split into an array of words using split. Split function is used here. The array of words is stored in the new message for further processing. At the end of the code continues with the logic to handle incoming messages and respond accurately based on the commands provided by the user, such as adding data to the Firebase, fetching data from firestore, or fetching weather data. In the Firebase, I named my project as weather report and named my collection as personal data. Here you can see I named my collection as personal data. The collection itself generates an unique ID. This is my unique ID. To run the code, open command prompt and enter node space Java file name. For checking the output, I am opening my Telegram chat box. I saved it as specboard. The information we are provided by giving the add command before can be stored in the Firebase database as add key data value. To extract the weather details of the city, enter weather space city name. Example, to check the weather details of Bhimavaram, enter weather space Bhimavaram. Another example, to know the weather details of city Guntur, enter weather city name Guntur. Here weather details of the Guntur is displayed. And finally the data will be stored in firestore database. Thank you.